Good morning to all. Today we'll discuss about characteristics of entrepreneurship. First, we'll discuss about what is meant by entrepreneurship. So, an entrepreneur, we'll be discussing about entrepreneur and intrapreneur here. First, let us discuss about entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who starts his own business. So, entrepreneurs are people that notice opportunities and they take the initiative in order to mobilize the resources in order to make new goods and services. So entrepreneurs means they are people that notice opportunities and they take up the initiative to mobilize the resources to make new goods and services. Intrapreneurs, they also notice the opportunities and they take the initiative to mobilize the resources. However, they work in large companies and they contribute to the innovation of the firm. The intrapreneurs often become entrepreneurs. So this is about entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs are people that notice opportunities and they take up the initiatives. So first we'll see who are entrepreneurs. Here we'll discuss about the common traits of an entrepreneur. They will be original thinkers, they will be risk takers, they take up the responsibility for own actions, they feel competent and they capable, they set high goals and they enjoy the work towards them, and they are self-employed parents. They are the firstborn kids in the family. They are between the age group of 30 to 50 years old. They are well educated and 80% of college they possess college degree and one third have a graduate level degree. So the main common traits are they are the original thinkers, they are risk takers, they take up the responsibility for own actions, they feel competent and capable, they set high goals and enjoy the working towards them, and they are self-employed parents, they are the first born kids, they are between the age group of 30 to 50 years old, they are well educated and they 80% of them have the college degree and one third of them have the graduate level degree. Now let us see who are the successful entrepreneurs and who are unsuccessful entrepreneurs. Successful entrepreneurs are creative and innovative. They position themselves in shifting or new markets. They create new products, they create new processes, and they create new delivery. So successful entrepreneurs, they are very creative and innovative. They position themselves in shifting or new markets. They create new products and they create new process and they create the new delivery. Unsuccessful entrepreneurs, if you see, they'll be poor managers. They will have low work ethic and they are inefficient people and they have failure to plan and prepare and they are poor money managers. Now let us discuss about the characteristics of entrepreneurs. So for a successful entrepreneur, if you see, they have the key personal attributes, they'll have the strong managerial competencies and they'll have the good technical skills. First, we'll discuss about the key personal attributes. Key personal attributes, no, the entrepreneurs are made, they are not born. Many of these key attributes are developed early in life. With the family environment, they play an important role. Entrepreneurs, they tend to have self-employed parents who tend to support and encourage the independence, achievement and responsibilities. The firstborns, they tend to have more entrepreneurial attributes because they receive more attention to forge their own way, thus creating higher self-confidence. They create higher self-confidence. The entrepreneurial careers, if you see, the idea that entrepreneurial success leads to more entrepreneurial activity, they may explain why many entrepreneurs start multiple companies over the course of their career. The corridor principle, they use one business to start or to acquire others and they repeat the process. The serial entrepreneur is a person who founds and they operate the multiple companies during one career. Now we'll discuss about the technical proficiency. Many entrepreneurs, they demonstrate strong technical skills, typically bringing some related experience to their business ventures. Say for example, successful car dealers, they usually have lots of technical knowledge about selling and servicing the automobiles before opening their dealerships. So this is especially important in the computer industry, if you see. So in the computer industry, this is very familiar. Then they have to plan, or in case of planning we have to discuss about the business plan. It is a step by step outline of how an entrepreneur or the owner of an enterprise expects to turn ideas into reality. So they expect and turn the ideas into reality. Now the questions what comes to our mind is, what are my motivations for owning a business? Should I start or buy a business? What and where is the market for what I want to sell? How much will all this cost me? Should my company be domestic or global?